with you niggas, but y'all steady hating, don't talk about popping no tags. I spin the block cause I'm patient, come back in the year, and that check that you wrote to get cash. You wanna smoke with the demon, well now you done seen it, I hope that you ready to clash. Yeah. Graduated from the street to the top of my class. You want the win, let's get it. I told you I live it, all you had to do is just ask. I know before I was chilling, just trying to get millions. Now all of that shit in the past. I take it up to the ceiling, however you willing, just so that you ready for class. Run down, I do this shit with no mask. If they won't call it a race, we gon' lap them. Cry like a baby when you get back at them. They here for the now, but they never gon' last. Why? Slow through my life like a turtle, but you get too close and I'm ready to snap. Yo, universal, if you break a rule, then you never come back. Living my life, I'm just chilling. Big plate, I'm gonna eat. They gonna eat out the trash.
Oh shit, that's happening right now in the bottoms.
I sit around many counters. I'm loving the sound that it
I have
when
to
you
get my
get to a
ass up
stack.
there and go out there.
But if you a hater, then fuck ya. I know I so mad. Cause they see me on the come up. I'm just getting
Lord knows I ain't gotta go to Weed Whips and Women tonight till like 9 o'clock. So I'll probably show up there like 7:30, 8 o'clock. So I got all fucking day. So I might go to that. That's why we checking events. Let me show y'all what we actually talking about though. It's right there in the West Bottoms. Boom. Plant collectors, plant sale.
100K play, honey bun K. You don't want smoke with this right here. Know what you say. Swim by your way. Get caught in my headlights like yeah. Watch what you say. Don't be comprey. Internet niggas is so damn weird. I'm from the Bay. He from upstate. Told you before that this all you no sick, no suit. Big business, no suit. Sedan truck, no coupe. Long leg room, big shoes. Mirror crop my move. All my ops is food. All my ops was fools. Hard cold like ice cubes. Always woke, no snooze. All this smoke, no booze. All good days, no blues. Except for what I got in pocket, cause you know I'm gon' get it. Leave me alone with your home. Fuses get blown, cause I'm gonna grow with it. I stay with them plans, you stay with them Zans, so you might be gone in 4 minutes. Don't blame me for all of your goals unachieved. You're just a whole nigga.
Shout out to them homies over there at the Green Table Podcast. You know, they usually be live every Sunday. Go hit them up. The big homies, they be doing their thing over there. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Shouts out to that big homies. Hey, I be over there every Sunday. I be chilling out there. I be laying low in the background working. I be watching my boys every week because they be putting it down.
I hope that you ready to clash.
This is not marketing. No! Prepare.
Yep. As y'all see, I'm almost ready too, so. Time out, pause, focus on me. Oh my god, am I nervous? Yeah, of course I'm nervous. I'm rolling a blunt. Only something I've done a million times. But this might be the one time y'all see me fuck it up, right? It'd be y'all luck, because I'm very lucky. You see what I'm saying? Luck equals prep plus opportunity. So when the opportunity presents itself, are you ready for it? Yes, popcorn's always ready to keep something popping. That's why he's popcorn. Shout out to this. Self-confidence right there. It's like a level 9. We ain't gonna call it perfect, but we're gonna call it a level 9. Boom. Yes, level 9 intellect. Oh shit, Brainiac said something smart about him one day. That was only one blunt. I needed to roll 2. I needed to roll 2. That way I won't have to roll another one. I'll just remember I rolled 2 and smoke the other one. Smoke dog in the house. Been smoking since I was 13, man. Also doing some other ill shit at that point in time, but hell, good parents, bad people, right? Right. But let's see, for those of us on the replay gang, appreciate you for being this far in the video. Shouts out to the clips, because you know, shit,